So let me show you how you can grow it. Choose a planting location. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures and partial shade, so choose a spot that gets some sun but is not in direct sunlight all day. Spinach needs well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, loosen the soil and add some compost or other organic matter to enrich the soil. Spinach prefers slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Spinach can be planted directly in the garden as soon as the soil can be worked in the spring. Sow the seeds about 1 centimeter deep and 2 centimeters apart, and cover them with soil. To show you the growing process, I grew some indoor. You can thin the seedlings if needed. When the seedlings are a few inches tall, and set them 5 to 10 centimeters apart. Water regularly. Spinach needs water when the soil starts to get dry. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Let us now see how the growing process continues. Do you like the video? I would be very happy about a comment from you. Spinach is ready to harvest when the leaves are about 6 to 7 centimeters long. Pick the outer leaves first, leaving the center of the plant to continue growing, or even cut it all at once.